Okay guys, now we're going to talk about the secret to making a lot of money on YouTube. So you might have seen videos of like famous YouTubers showing how much they make on YouTube, and most of them aren't making as much as they could be because they're not doing this very simple trick. Now, if your video is shorter than 10 minutes, it'll only put a couple ads on your video by default. It'll put like an ad beside your video as these diagrams are showing right here, and it might put like a little overlay ad at the beginning of your video, and then like a skippable video ad at the beginning of your video. So I highly recommend that you guys make videos longer than 10 minutes. Because these are the videos that you'll be able to make the most money on. Now, you can still make videos shorter than 10 minutes and still make a lot of money with YouTube, depending on how many videos you're creating and everything. I just recommend that you do put out some videos that are longer than 10 minutes, and the more the better, because longer videos too will get the most watch time. So as I talked about before, you can put as many ads as you want in your video, and I recommend spacing them out like 1 to 2 minutes between each ad. But I just wanted to note real quick that make sure your videos are longer than 10 minutes so you can put all those advertisements in it. And you can multiply the amount of ad revenue you make on a single video like 10 times just by putting 10 ads in it rather than just having 1 or 2. So for the types of channels we're creating, like with compilation videos or those technology videos or like conspiracy videos, people really don't care that much if a little tiny ad pops up on the video, and you can still very easily have videos go viral with a lot of ads on them, as I was showing you in the case studies before that have advertisements on the video, and they're still getting millions upon millions of views. This equals a lot of money, guys, so make sure your videos are longer than 10 minutes if you want to make the most money as possible out of your videos, and make sure you put an ad every 1 to 2 minutes.